And on a mental emotional level, what we see, so on a mental level, is weakness of memory, brain and nervous system disorders, brain and nervous system tissue degeneration, dementia, Alzheimer's. And it's likely, and there are studies that show it, that the metal element is there when we look at things like developmental delay in our children as well. So it's quite key for us. It's tied in with other stuff, but it's looking at where metals come into our lives and things like, for instance, pesticides, which many of which are cumulative, and they were introduced in from the 1950s onwards. We're still using pesticides, and we might not be using DDT anymore, although it has been reintroduced in some areas. That it's when we start to introduce these other chemicals into the equation with the metal element that we have a problem. So on an emotional level, what we tend to see with the metal elements is the metal remedies, and the metal element is idealistic. Again, this, idealism and perfectionism is about overextending ourselves. It's about doing too much. It's about thinking too much. It's about pushing into the future too much, and expecting too much of ourselves and others and those around us. So for me, it's all the metal element.